Today we are finally going to make our lightning bug. The first step to making our lightning bug is to cover the lightning bug's body in tissue paper. So we are going to be using a glue stick and these little tissue paper squares for that. We need to make the plastic bottle sticky by covering it with glue. So you're just going to rub it with the glue stick gently. Don't press too hard, otherwise it might press in the side of your bottle. So just do one section and then set it down for a second and press the tissue paper on. And then keep overlapping with other pieces. You can use any colors you want. All right, now I've got enough tissue paper on there. I could go over and cover up a few more spots, but the next step is going to be putting the lid back on that glue stick and putting the tissue paper away. We need this stuff cleaned up before we go on to the next step. All right, now we are going to be using two pipe cleaners. One is going to be for the legs and one for the antennas, so you can pick whatever color you want. For the antennas, we're going to have the antennas sticking out the front of the lightning bug. So we're going to wrap it around the opening of the bottle. So we're just going to put it like this, and then grab both pieces and twist them around. You can use it like this. Just twist, twist, twist. Make sure you get it tight enough so that it stays on here. We don't want that to come off. And then kind of press them forward because the lightning bug's antennas stick out in front of its face. All right, then the other one is going to be cut into the legs. We need 6 legs. So if I cut it in half first, then I'm going to have to cut it into 1, 2, 3 more sections. So I need to make 2 more cuts. All right, let's check and make sure we got 6 legs. Did I get 6? Yes, I did. They don't have to be a perfect length. We just need to have them taped on each side of the body. Let's speed that up. All right, now I am ready to do my lightning bug's head and my lightning bug's wings. So you can use a pencil or a Sharpie for this, but let's see, we're gonna make a nice long U for the wings and cut a line down the center. For the head, you can also draw the shape of a U. And if you want to kind of put this next to your lightning bug's wings to try to figure out the size, that's fine, but it's not a big deal. Try to make it big enough so that it can fit on your lightning bug's body and kind of match the size of that bottle. Then you're going to cut these pieces out. Here's the head, and here's the body. So instead of just taping these 2 pieces together, I actually need to tape this one onto the bottle first to make sure it sticks to the bottle. Otherwise, it's going to be hard to get it to stick to the bottle correctly. So before I do that, though, I want to get some googly eyes. I got these special googly eyes. These eyes are actually glow-in-the-dark eyes, so that'll be great for our lightning bugs because they're going to be really glowy. You can do 2 of the same eyes, or you can mix and match sizes to make it look silly. Just try to use your fingernail to kind of scrape off. You kind of got to get to the edge of this googly eye and peel off that sticky back. If you can't get it, ask a friend to help you. Okay, there's one. And here's the other one. All right. There we go. Now, if you want to draw a mouth on there, you can. It would be kind of like this, because this is going to go on here like that. All right. So now I'm going to tape this in place first, and then I'll tape my wings on. There's the head. There's one wing. And the other wing. I kind of wanted my lightning bug to look like it's starting to open its wings, like it's going to fly away. But if you want your wings to stay together, that's fine too. I'm even going to fold these up a little bit so that it looks like the lightning bug is going to take off flying. All right, now if you weren't here for making the leaf for your lightning bug, you can still make the leaf today. I have not decorated my leaf yet with oil pastels, but I've got it cut out. This is how it's going to be on display for the art show. So make sure you have enough decorations on there, and make sure your name and class code is written clearly on the edge of your leaf. This is how your family is going to find your lightning bug, because we're going to write our name on the bottom of the lightning bug. And please also write your class code.
When you're done, you can turn in your project and you can clean up your spot and do free draw. Have fun today. Bye.